Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Umar back with the new tips. Today I will let you know, guys, how to use MS Word more effectively and how you can make your work more faster using MS Word top 5 tips and tricks. Okay, so let's go for it. Well, before we get started, if you are new on my channel, so I request you guys to subscribe my channel, okay, and click on the bell icon for get more tips. Okay, so let's go for it now. Okay, so our first topic is uses of control. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so first of all, we will create a random text on is equal to RAND bracket start bracket close and press enter, and you will get a random text in MS Word. Okay, so now uses of control, press control and arrow key, right arrow key, and you can jump to the next word. Okay, and as usual, when you press control and press left arrow key, you can go to the previous one. Okay, you can jump to the previous one word. Okay, and now other uses of control, like control plus down arrow key, you can jump to the another paragraph, and control plus top arrow key, you can jump to the previous paragraph. Okay, and now control plus delete option, you will delete the one word, okay, to the right side. Okay, and as usual, control plus backspace. Okay, using control plus backspace, let's see. Okay, so control plus backspace, you will delete the previous word. Okay, its complete word will be removed. Okay, and now other uses of control shift and right arrow key, and you can select the complete word to the right side. Okay, and as usual, you can also, like using left arrow key, you can select the previous word. And control plus end, you will be at the end of the document. Okay, and using control plus home tab, you will be at the first page of your Word document. Okay, so that's actually the uses of control, which will help you to make fast your work. And another thing is convert text to table. First of all, we need to select the table. Okay, and then we will go to the layout option, and we will choose the option like convert to text. Okay, as you can see, it's in the layout option, convert to text. Okay, simply press on it. Okay, and this dialog box will be open. Okay, which is paragraph, tabs and commas. Press OK, and your table is converted to the text as a column format. Okay, so just now try to convert your table into commas. Okay, into text format but in commas. So let's see. Okay, so now your table is converted to the text format in commas. Okay, and now here we got another value, like already it's in commas. Okay, and we will convert it to the table format. Okay, simply go to the insert option and go to the you can see down here, convert text to table. Okay, so now number of rows, number of columns, then press enter, and it will be converted to the table format. Okay, your text is converted to the table format now. Okay, so after that, now the third thing I need to let you know, like clipboard paste multiple. Okay, if you want to copy something and you want to paste it multiple times, so you can do that. Okay, so here we got value 1, value 2 and value 3. Okay, so first of all we're gonna open a clipboard. Okay, and we will select one by one and copy. Okay, and now the another one, value 2 and value 3. Okay, and now you can paste it anywhere you want. Okay, just simply click on it and it will be pasted at wherever your cursor is. Okay, you can randomly can paste multiple times these text when you already copy these text to the clipboard. Okay, so now our fourth topic is add comments. Like when if you got a file for a review purpose, okay, so you need to add some comments on that file and you need to send someone as a soft copy. So how you can do that, let's see. Okay, so select galleries, any word you can select. Okay, and we're gonna add the comment over here. And go to the review option and a new comment. Okay, we can add down here any random comment. Okay, like okay, link, just okay, link images. Okay, okay, and now here one another word we will add the comment. Okay, alright guys, so as you see here in zoom option we add the comments here. Okay, and when you're going to save this file and you give to someone other, they can see, they can edit the file, okay, using according to your comment. Okay, in case if you got some file for reviews option purpose. Okay, you can delete this comment as well. Okay, there is a delete option also there. Okay, you can delete the comment. You can simply press on delete button and you can delete the comment. Okay, and now there is a one more our fifth topic is like how to save Word file in PDF. Okay, this is mostly when you don't have you doesn't have any application to convert in PDF and you don't have internet as well, so you can convert your Word file to the PDF format. Okay, simply go to save as option and here you can choose there is an option already given here in PDF. Okay, so you will choose the PDF option. Okay, and you can simply go and press on save button, so your file will be saved in PDF format. Okay, and as you know, so PDF format is non-editable. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Okay, and thank you so much. Bye bye.